So yes, some more very exciting footage has been released of Drayton Manor during the close season, and it sure is very exciting. Now the drone footage in this video is from John McHale, so a massive thank you to him, but without no further ado, let's get straight into the video. So many rumours were going around that the former G4 site was going to be home to a wave swinger attraction and of course another family ride. However, as we can see now from this drone footage, no ride looks to be in the site, and from this footage it looks like not much has changed from when Drayton Manor was open in the 2020 season. I mean, this footage here is what I recorded back in summer of 2020, and it looks like not much has changed in this drone footage that was shot in 2021. However, anything could change and they still could get a wave swinger attraction in the next month before they open on the 12th of April. Now moving on to the most exciting update, which is based all around Splash Canyon. About a week ago I made an out of season Drayton Manor update where we could see that the station and buildings around Splash Canyon were getting a repaint. In these shots now we can get a good view of all of the scenery getting a repaint and a little refresh. Alongside that, the station of Shockwave and Splash Canyon are getting a nice repaint, and I said this in my previous out of season update, the colours look very vibrant and colourful, and it really does go with the sort of seaside theme that this area is. Also, the trough of the ride also looks pretty clean. I mean, there's not much debris in the trough, and to be honest, the ride looks ready to operate if it does open in the next few seasons. Also, there's been a lot of tree clearance around the ride area, and the wave machine area of the ride looks to be having some essential maintenance done to it as well. In this next drone shot, we can actually see the boats for Splash Canyon near the former Excalibur ride, and what looks to be like they're having some work done to them. On Google Maps, these boats have been sitting in this lake for years, and it's so good to see some maintenance take place on the boats, which suggests that Splash Canyon is going to reopen in the near future, obviously with improved safety measures. Moving on to Stormforce 10, the jet building has been repainted a vibrant orange colour as mentioned in my previous video. However, it looks like there's no jet logo on the tower anymore, so maybe it's getting a new sponsor or they're just painting it up. Also, we can see the boats for Stormforce 10 just sitting on the grass there next to Shockwave, probably just for some winter maintenance. About a month ago, Pandemonium was listed for sale on Interlink, and a few weeks later it looked to be that Apocalypse was up for sale as well. However, they still are standing at Drayton Manor and have not yet been removed. But who knows, 2021 may be their last season to operate. Lastly, this was spray painted on the grass near the Buffalo Coaster, and as you can see now on the screen, it does say New Path. Personally, I can't see this being anything big, maybe a new little entrance path or something like that. So there we go, some very exciting updates from Drayton Manor Resort during the close season. If you did enjoy the video, consider subscribing as I make theme park content every week for you to enjoy. And with all that said and done, thank you for watching Theme Park Enthusiast, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.